Horses out. We have Royal Jewels. Past the begin, moving up on the outside, Suburban Darleb. Then followed by All My Life, Security Bell. Down on the inside, Money Queen, My Jopeng, Security Spirit. Carefree Treasure and Webe de Pebrero is the early trailer. Suburban by about 3 lengths. Royal Jewels in second, and in third, Darleb. Then comes Security Bell. My Jopeng is racing on the outside port. Then followed by All My Life, Money Queen, Security Spirit, Nueve de Pebrero, and Carefree Treasure. And it's still Suburban moving up, Darleb, Royal Jewels down on the inside. This time we have Darleb takes the lead by Oraneka. Royal Jewels is running by the second, now moves up. It's now Royal Jewels and Darleb are fighting out for the lead. Running by the Royal Jewels. Darleb is on the outside. Racing into this My Jopeng. But it's still Darleb by about 2 lengths this time. Royal Jewels still in second as they come down to the last 150. Darleb by about 2.5 lengths. Royal Jewels is on the outside second, moving up Money Queen All My Life. But it's still Darleb by about 4 lengths of Royal Jewels, Money Queen. And nearing the finish line, it's Darleb. Second, close. Royal Jewels, Money Queen. Then comes All My Life, Security Spirit.